Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, I'm Amalia Veronica Putri and you can call me Amel. I'm from 2E8 class in electrical major in Polytechnic of Sriwijaya, Palembang. And today, for the first time I make video blog to complete my English final test. You must prepare the tools and the materials. The tools are soldering tools and plier, and the last sandpaper. Or the materials are tin, and lobster. If the tools and the materials are all ready, let's begin. First, take the soldering tools and plug the cable to the terminal. Wait until it's hot. While wait the soldering tools hot, take email wire with measure 15 centimeters. And then take the sandpaper, wrap a half of a wire. Wrap a half of the wire until the email layer finish. And then finally I finish. Wrap the wire. Can you see the different color of the wire? In this part there is a wire that wrapped with a sandpaper. And then take a lot pad. I will open the tube. Yeah, there is contain of the lot fat. Lot fat is soldering oil. And then take the oil and layer in a half wire that the email is finished. Yes, all the part. Have done. Next, take the pliers and pin the other side of wires like that, and then take the solder that hot. Yoo-hoo! And then take the solder and the tin. Yes, there is my sister hand. burn the tin with solder, and then layer the tin to the wire, and then finish. Can you see that the different colors, right? Okay, finally I finished my job today, and I think just enough for my video today. If I make a mistake, I say sorry, and you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The final I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.